Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elizabeth Marie, and today I am doing a fall look for you guys. And I've never done a cut crease on, I've never done a cut crease, you guys. And I definitely haven't put one on here before. And I have been playing with this, so I think I'm getting better with this eyeshadow and stuff. So I'm going to create my first fall look. I'll get dressed and do my hair and everything after I do the makeup. I am going to go ahead and get right into it, and the first thing I'm going to do is I think I'm going to go in. If you watched my previous video, I just got some Anastasia the stick foundation, so I think I'm going to use that, and I think I'm going to go ahead and cream contour. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty and Mocha. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to do my foundation, I'm going to do my contour and conceal, and I'm going to do my eyebrows all off camera. I will be back, and then we'll get right into the look. Alright you guys, I am back. So now I'm baking, and I'm just going to go ahead and start this eyeshadow while it bakes, just in case any fallout comes through. Just swipe away, okay? So I am doing, I don't know, I want to do a little bit of color, but I still want to keep it kind of neutral. So I got my Morphe, I don't remember which kind of palette, the Night Master. I don't know, I don't think this is what it's called, but is this palette? See, and I'm going to attempt my first ever cut crease, so here we go. First, gotta go in with, see, I'm trying to figure out what do I want to go in with. What is this? I'm trying to see, let me swatch first. I think that's too red. It's not really what I'm trying to go for. I think I'm gonna go with goals. Yes, so I'm gonna go with the goals right here, and I'm still learning the names. I believe that's the crease, not, yeah, the, you know what I mean, right? The part where the darker color, you know what, I don't know, but we gonna go, right? This is color custom. I'm just putting it at the top. Okay, so I think now is the cut crease, right? Add up here. I'm done with that. I want to go in with Excuse Me on the lid. In the shade Rose Gold Retro. Okay, if I got a steady hand, I'm gonna go outline this. I don't know how I did, y'all, so far. I'm not done. Liner, I'm gonna brush this off real quick. If I can find my brush. Oh. So now the black liner. I think I did a terrible job. No. Gosh. Okay. Where am I? Alright, so highlight popping. Let's get the pop in. Go in my favorite Fenty Beauty. Anastasia, and yeah, I think I'm gonna do the Anastasia, and this is in shade Ashton. Let's put on this pencil liner real quick. fine. Your nose. You got to do that. I think I'm gonna go with this Unique. Okay, there we go. Now for Anastasia. Alright, so let me get dressed and I'm gonna show you what I look like. I think I did a decent job for my first time. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. But let me go get dressed real quick. I'd be so quick to do these videos and completely forgot about the lashes. Completely. I knew it looked a little basic. So where is my lash glue? Alright, so now I got my lashes on. And okay. Kind of hides it a little bit. I didn't know they were this big. Maybe I should have some smaller ones. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what I would wear if I'm going out. I'm not too into dresses. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Let me know how I did for my first attempt on trying to do a cut crease. I think I started off on the right track and it kind of fell off. But let me know down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give it a big fat thumbs up, and I'll be back with another video soon. Bye.
Dice is on the